you got a raise, maybe even two, and you're still running out of money before the month ends. Most people hear that and think, I need more discipline. They're wrong. This is not a discipline problem. It is a design problem. And the difference between those two things will change how you think about money for the rest of your life. Chapter 1. Why more money changes nothing. Here's what most people expect. More income in, more savings out. Here's what actually happens. More income in, more spending out. There's a name for this. It's called lifestyle inflation. And it's not a character flaw, it's a pattern. Take Ryan, a software developer in his late 20s. 3 promotions in 4 years. Good salary, smart guy. Every raise brought a moment of relief. A bigger apartment, a newer car, better restaurants after work. None of it felt wasteful. All of it felt earned. He joined a gym the month after his second promotion, $45 a month. He went 6 times in the first month, 4 times in the second. Then he stopped going. He kept paying for 19 months because canceling felt like admitting something he wasn't ready to admit. Then one night he sat down and compared his numbers. He was earning 34% more than he had 4 years ago. He had saved almost exactly the same dollar amount. Not the same percentage, the same number. The money had grown, the lifestyle had grown with it. And at the end of every month, the account looked the same. Chapter 2. What your brain is actually doing. Psychologists call this hedonic adaptation. Your brain has a baseline for what feels normal. Every time your income goes up, that baseline adjusts upward. The new salary feels good for about 3 to 4 weeks. Then it becomes normal, and normal never feels like enough. A Princeton study found that beyond a certain income level, more money stops improving how you feel day to day. Not because money doesn't matter, it does, but because the brain adapts faster than the bank account grows. This is why someone earning $35,000 and someone earning $90,000 can feel equally stretched at the end of the month. The paycheck is different. The feeling is identical. Chapter 3. The real problem. Most people respond to this with more discipline. They set reminders. They track every purchase. They make rules and promise themselves they'll stick to them. And then life happens, and the rules break. That's not weakness. That's how willpower actually works. It is a limited resource. You spend it on decisions all day. What to eat, what to say, what to do next. By the time your finances need it at the end of the month, almost none is left. Willpower-based money systems always fail eventually. They depend on a resource that runs out. Design doesn't run out. A well-designed system works whether you're tired, stressed, or not thinking about money at all. That's the difference. And that's why design wins every time. Chapter 4. The Fix. Here is the one shift that changes everything. Most people save what's left after spending. Wealthy people spend what's left after saving. One word changes. The order changes. The result is completely different. Here's how it works. The day you get paid, a fixed amount moves automatically to a separate savings or investment account. Not after rent, not after groceries, before any of it. You never see it. Your brain never counts it as available. And what the brain doesn't count as available, it won't spend. Your lifestyle adjusts to whatever is left. It always does. That's the whole point. The word automatic is not optional, not a reminder to do it later. An automatic transfer that fires before you touch the money. Start with 10%. If 10% is too much right now, start with 5. The percentage matters far less than the order. Chapter 5. What happens next? Month 1, you barely notice the difference. Month 2, the smaller balance feels like your new normal. Because it is. Your brain adapted. That's what it does. Month 3, Something is building in an account that your salary alone never managed to produce. Not because you earned more, because you changed the order. Breathing room doesn't appear at the end of the month. It has to be built at the beginning, before anything else has the chance to fill the space. That's what pursuit of margin is about. Not more money, more margin. And margin is always designed, never found. Subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Why your brain actively resists this, even after you set it up, and what to do about it.